Perforated patterned, flawless cable tray cover factory production. For this, large steel sheets are placed under the automated machine that cuts them into required lengths. In the next part, skilled labor places precisely cut long sheets into an automated punching press. Once shaped, the side holes are punched on the processed perforated malleable sheets. Hence, all set for the next step. Finally, the ready sheets are folded using a heavy machine. These necessary holes allow proper ventilation for effective cable management. Don't forget to drop your questions about the cable tray cover manufacturing.